Hi there, I'm Greg Lamb, aka the Small Biz Doer, with the Sleater Group. Here's your Cloud Accountant update. To start off the news, Cashew has new pricing. Cashew has had a few pricing changes in the past few years. It used to be that Cashew was free for up to 20 transactions. Then it was Cashew was about $200 a year, and that got you unlimited transactions. Now it's $49 a year for unlimited transactions for the web app. I should also mention that a limited version of the iPad app is free to use. If you bump up your spend to $199 a year, you'll gain the ability to have unlimited businesses and users. I know of businesses who don't like moving to online accounting software because they have to keep on paying more for each business they run. Well, now it's kind of like pay for 4 businesses, get the rest free. I think the $49 a year pricing is a good step for Cashew because at $4 a month, it's hard to go wrong. Cashew is now between Wave, which is free, and QuickBooks Online Simple Start, which is $9.95 a month, and Xero Starter Plan, which is $9 a month. As I started to look into pricing for all online accounting software, I realized that what you'll end up paying is going to depend on a number of factors. First, what country you're in. The pricings I gave you were for the United States. This is QuickBooks Online's pricing for Australia. Simple Start is at $12 a month for a limited time. Meanwhile, in Canada, it's only $7.20 a month. If I check out Xero, the global edition of the starter subscription is $20 a month, while in Australia, it's $25 a month. So quite a bit of variety there. The second factor that will come into play into how much you'll pay is special promotions pricing. This is a page I found for QuickBooks Online in the US. It's only $6.95 a month for Simple Start. But if I go to save 50%, it's $6.97 a month. Huh? This math isn't adding up for me. Oh wait, it's not Simple Start, it's the Essentials version. I guess there's no sale on Simple Start. But I also found this page. It says $9.95 a month for Simple Start. But if I go to save 50% off, I again end up with the Essentials version, but this time it's $10.47. Well, for 6 months that is. There are constant promotions going on with QuickBooks Online, and I've seen similar type promotions with other companies. Now, the third way in which pricing may be determined is based on whether you're an accountant or bookkeeper, or you're signing up for several businesses at once. Xero provides a 15% pricing discount for each additional business. It also has discounts for accountants or bookkeepers who obviously have many clients, and the discounts range from 15% to 30%. QuickBooks Online's accountant program gives 30% for all businesses created through their program. No, wait, it's 50%. You see, really hard to keep track of this. Cashew also has an accountant program called MVP that gives preferential pricing, but the pricing details aren't on their website. So I started off with the news that Cashew adjusted their public pricing, which I thought was a good move because it does make it competitive with the other products out there. But what you've also seen is that the pricing is all over the place with the vendors. I've seen Intuit's pricing of QuickBooks Online become very aggressive as of late. They of course though have the money to drop their prices for a very long time. Last episode I talked about how Zoho Books has a new Windows app. Well, now QuickBooks has a new Mac app. This is not an iPad or iPhone app, but an app for your Mac that uses QuickBooks Online's database behind the scenes. In some ways, this news to me is a bit of whatever, since I can run QuickBooks Online in my browser, but like native mobile apps, the QuickBooks for Mac app should run smoother and provide some interface benefits. Since I have Mac, I'll be checking it out myself at a later time. Another app that just launched is the Wave Invoice NAP. Wave already has a payments app, so this Invoicing app is a bit more sophisticated. While the payments app was more for quickly creating sales receipts and processing credit cards, Wave's Invoicing app is more like a mobile version of the web app's invoicing module. This means it lets you create invoices, accept payments via credit card, create customers, create products, see all your invoices, and see a graph of your income and expenses. In my quick testing, it seemed like a solid product. And that's it for this Cloud Accountant update. You can find links to all the topics discussed in the description. I'm Greg Lamb, aka the Small Biz Doer with the Sleater Group, and I'll catch you in a couple weeks.